Maury's hotel is constantly thriving. Because of how simple management is, he has more time to come up with ways to improve service. This is thanks to Klacci's IF Series Smart Lock. In Maury's opinion, this is the most efficient and safest management solution. Maintaining safety entry procedures is always the most important thing for a hotel. With IF Smart Locks, easily verify passwords or smartphone biometrics and add facial recognition to reach dual authentication of personnel ID. Customers' unlocking records can also be fully tracked the moment they step in. Each area can have individual verification settings so that clients' safety and privacy can be maintained. A VIP customer can quick pass with a single tap to unlock. Maury's hotel has a new employee today, and he easily adds her to the list and grants access authorization. She can enter and exit the hotel with ease. Using IF Series Smart Locks makes her work even more efficient through access control. After customers check out, the system deletes their access authorization immediately, and Maury can heighten their service through data analysis. Klacci's IF Series Smart Locks help Maury immensely, empowering him to think of innovative ways to manage his hotel. Please contact us to create a brand new management style for your hotel today. Klacci, Life Unlocked.